The effects of over-arousal on attention is that the Sarah can take in too much of the atmosphere and crowd or the teammates that she has, which would lead her to focusing on them and not actually focusing on the task in hand. This could also cause her to have racing thoughts, as she will be thinking about other things that aren't necessarily to her shooting, which means that she will not be necessarily thinking about her shooting, which is what she should be doing at that time, which may be a cause of why her shots in them 2 games against Lewis and Varndine have significantly dropped since her training shots. Eyes-off theory is the most popular graph for the relationship between arousal and performance, as it allows the athlete to have specific zones that they fall into, either poor performance or optimal performance, which is where they want to be, or even which they're, for instance, if they have a low eyes off, which is what Sarah will have, her optimal arousal will be at the start, and low arousal, which will allow her to perform better. However, this could be the opposite for some athletes. For instance, another athlete's optimal performance could be in the high arousal zone, which is the complete opposite from Sarah. So this shows how athletes can differ using this graph. In my opinion, this is a good graph as it allows you to categorize different people into different zones, which is good as all the other graphs generalize as one category. So this allows you to select different zones for people who have different effects on arousal. A strategy to eliminate or reduce somatic stress is to practice beforehand with a psychologist to help you and work with people in different situations so you can adjust to them during your games. To reduce somatic anxiety, you can have massages, as this relaxes the muscles and relieves the tension that is built up in them, which can cause the muscle aches in the games. And a strategy for somatic arousal is to flex the muscles, then relax the muscles, as this teaches the muscle to be both relaxed and tense at the same time, which is good for breathing control. Cognitive strategies which Sarah could do is breathing strategies which allow her to relax more during the game, so she can take a couple of breaths during the game to get herself back down to level and to her optimal arousal, so she doesn't get over aroused. A strategy for for arousal for anxiety is that they can practice beforehand in high pressure situations, such as put music on or get some other people around you when practicing and training, as this will help you get used to the environment of other people watching you.